Good evening, everyone. It is February 12th, 2023. Uh, this is just a 1 hour chart of the ES. This is our weekly outlook chart, but we will be getting into what I'm looking for intraday. On the last video, in that weekly outlook video, I was saying that I'm looking for us to catch some sort of bids around here and make our way up towards 41.28. So far, we've just been trading inside of Friday's value area for the most part. Value area low is sitting at 41.80-ish, and 41, what is that, 78 is our low? 78 3 quarters. So 41.80, 40.80-ish to about, what is that? 40.96 quarter is our value area from Friday, and we've been mostly trading within there. We had a gap up open. We gapped up around 41.05, and then we just sold right off and into value area, and now we're just churning within there. So far, nothing notable happening during Globex, just kind of hanging around in value. Unsurprising that the gap is getting closed to the downside. Now, what am I looking at for tomorrow? Getting rid of these indicators. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. So keep in mind that my bigger outlook is that we're going to come up to 41.28 around this pivot. So I want to be playing for that. Now, if we do not get that move up, if we do not accept over yesterday's RTH highs, let's just go to the RTH. If we do not accept above that 04, if we cannot get back into value area low on the week at 41.03, if we cannot get above January's high at 09 quarter or that Thursday session value area high at 06s, if we can in general not get above this area, I want to be looking for a short down into this balance area. So I will be looking for, as of now, I have it at 4100. That just being our weekly close on the 4 p.m. close. 0175 is the high of where 95% of the volume occurred on Friday. So I think if you try and get short above 01s, you're likely fighting a breakout. So I think it might be a better idea to just be short at 4100 and try and ride this down into the meat of this balance area from Friday. So try and ride it into the 89 point of control, if not value area low around 80, where we're trading around as of now. Similarly to the downside, if I see we're unable to run the lows and continue down further, I want to be long at 78 quarter, just settlement lows, Thursday's low of the day, value area low from Friday sitting at 80 half, the monthly open at 77 3 quarters, the value area low, I believe that would be, what is that, the 95% value area low from last week at 77 quarter. So I think if you start getting below that kind of 77, 76 area, you're likely going to lose the bid. And again, you're fighting a breakout to the downside. So I want to be long 78s, short double O's after I look above and fail or look below and fail. I'm going to ignore these lower areas for now. Above, if we do start accepting above, and I do think we're going to get into that 28 area, I want to be long 09 quarter. That's just the January high of the month. I might switch that to 0675 depending on what I see overnight. But for now, I have that in at 09 quarter. So I want to be long there. And I want to be short at 22. So this is just our auction. And that is kind of where I'm looking for us to stop. I know 28s are the point of control on the week. However, I think 22s might be a decent short, just kind of the end of that target area. If we do start getting higher, I think we'll be trading at what you could call relatively expensive prices or getting a little bit stretched beyond our means to the upside. And I do want to be short at 41. The correct number may be 42 3 quarters. However, I will be going with 41 for now, although I want to make sure I have that number saved, that 42 3 quarters. So I'm going to just quickly make that into a nice little black level so I don't forget. But yes, I will be looking to be short 41 and short 48s and short 55 3 quarters in general, keeping in mind that because we have Tuesday as CPI, I don't think that we're getting a huge breakout. So I am looking for mean reversion in general, and then Tuesday can do whatever it wants. Wednesday, we have our retail sales and PPI Thursday. So I will be looking to play this day to day, and what that means for tomorrow is looking for a look above and fail or a look below and fail, or the breakout mean reversion to 4128, which is not a it is not a larger time frame breakout. It is a breakout within it's a breakout of Friday's range, but we will be trading within our prior week's range as well as the week prior to that's range. So just looking for mean reversion back towards that point of control or the prior week's halfback or whatever you want to call it, and then looking for us to trade within value. So value area low on the week sitting at 0.3 quarter, and value area high on the week sitting at, I believe, 4160s, 4164 quarter. So up here. So I'm mostly looking for us to trade within something like this. That's in the event that we do accept into this upper 09 area. I'm really looking for us to trade within something like this. I think by the time we open up, we might be trading higher. So I will be looking for more so something like this to be our trade for tomorrow. 58-point range. That'd be large for a Monday. Large giving also no major news. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. Long 09 quarter. If I get a look above and fail, short double O's. If I get a look below and fail, long 78s. Short 22. Short 41. Short 48. Short 55 3/4. That's all I have for you guys. Hope you have a good night. Stay safe during this Globex. Hope you had a nice Super Bowl Sunday, and trade safe.